This is Mount Longonot, one of the most beautiful places in Kenya. Only few tourists come here. It's a dormant volcano protected as a national park. A dense forest grows inside the crater. You can spot wildlife here. Zebra, giraffe and baboons are a common sight. And then there is the crater itself, almost 2 kilometers across. Standing on the edge, it is hard to take in just how big it is. From the gate, it's 3 kilometers uphill over volcanic gravel. The hike is short but steep. Longonot last erupted around 1863. Steam still escapes from the cracks. This volcano sleeps, but it is not dead. If you have time, walk the full rim. It's about 7 kilometers and it will take 2 to 3 hours. Want to know more about this hike and Longonot? Visit world.travellers.com.